Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create an event registration form inside of Microsoft Forms, as you can see here. Now, keep in mind that I'm inside of the web version of Microsoft 365, so that is the cloud version. And what I'm going to do is in the Forms homepage, I'm just going to click on registration, which is already a template in here. And of course, change the style as you can see here, but in this case, I'm just going to keep it default. Now, I'm going to give this name, which is going to be Meetup Registration for Friday. I can also give it a description, which I'm just going to keep very, very simple. And now what I have to do is I have to start adding questions with this plus button here. Now, usually when you're making an event registration, you're going to have it, pretty simple. So you're going to have either a choice or something like that. You're not going to keep it very complicated. So let's just ask some general questions like what is your gender, what is your name, and all of that, as you can see here. And we can also ask for some kind of ID, for example. So we can go to the upload file option, as I'm going to do right now, and we can ask the user to add some appropriate ID. And we can make this a required field or not. Now, after we're done here, what we want to do is we want to get a link to send it to people, right? So we're going to go to this present option in here, and we're just going to copy this link. We also have a QR code, which we can use, but in my case, and in most cases, we're going to copy the link, and we're just going to send it to whoever we want, basically, all right? So this is a quick review on how to create an event registration form, okay? That's it. Thank you very much.